Let's solve a problem from the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry, class 10, exercise 8.3, fourth question. Prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. Sub question 9. Cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. So let's solve this. LHS is equal to cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. So, we know cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A and sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. So, let's substitute 1 by sin A minus sin A into 1 by cos A minus cos A. Taking LCM, that is sin A. So, it will be like 1 minus sin into sin A, sin square A. 1 cos A LCM. 1 minus cos into cos, cos square A. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, right? So, cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A and sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. So, let's substitute 1 minus sin square A is cos square A, right? Cos square A by sin A into 1 minus cos square is sin square A. Sin square A by cos A. So, we can cancel this. So, we get cos A sin A. Now, let's take the RHS. That is RHS equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. We know tan A is equal to 1 by cot A, right? So, cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. So, let's substitute again. Tan A plus 1 by tan A, we get 1 by tan square A plus 1. I took the LCM. Now, reciprocal of that. Tan A by tan square A plus 1. Sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. So, 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. So, let's substitute tan A by sec square A. We know tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. So, let's substitute tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. So, sin A by cos A, the whole divided by sec square A is 1 by cos square A. So, again taking the reciprocal, sin A by cos A into cos square A. Let's cancel this. So, we get sin A cos A, which is equal to LHS. Hence,